Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island, Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. 120 reversal film fashion shot. Well, I used this image a couple days ago to make illustrated image. Well, I made the illustrated image already, but using a color pencil type illustration, light color pastel image. Well, that's what I want to try today. And well, let me try this something light image, illustration type image from these two images, which is this is the main image, and I have this pencil drawing type image, which I changed that blend mode to probably that was a color burn or something last time. Color burn has more dark image, so that's why I thought that was a sort of maybe oil paint type image like. But this time I want to try something different again. Well, see this blend mode change to like overlay and goes to more lighter image, right? And well, this is soft light but a little bit dull, so I want to try. Oh, that's right, I found this image too. Vivid light, her hair goes yellow. Oh, pretty interesting white image. And I made combine this luminosity image, like more lighter color, pastel color. Well, but I found this vivid light pencil drawing type image, and also that pretty interesting color, yellow, strong impression. Well, I'm gonna fix this image now. That's interesting. Okay, I'm gonna select multiple. Then this image, make it, well, duplicate layers and merge selected to get one image already. Alright, now this is the base image. Then, okay, move this pencil drawing type image on top. Then let's see, change blend mode to this is nice too, lighten. Wow, so many things happen, huh? Lighter colors, interesting too. Kind of like, this is kind of cool. Okay, well, okay, base image, turn on, and I'm gonna turn off this pencil drawing type image. Working on this layer first. Create empty mask. Let me hide with, let me try dry media to pastel square. Okay, now. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this layer, pencil drawing type image. Then one of them, I'm going to move this one in between these layers. This effect layer, I'm making mask, right? Create empty mask on this. Then now hiding image. Now we see through the original last time, but I made this pencil drawing type. Now we see this is okay. Blend mode should be go back to normal on this pencil drawing type. Then I'm gonna just leave this pencil drawing type image, turn it off. Now we are working on, okay, this is the original image. This one is pencil drawing type image. Blend mode is, of course, normal. Then now I'm hiding this effective layer, so we see the pencil drawing type image. Okay, go from here. Now I'm hiding. I want to show more pastel image. Okay, cut mask. Okay, turn it off, this one. Then let's find out from this pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode to look for something light pastel colored image. Maybe overlay screen is fine too, huh? Let's see. Just leave it screen now. Leave it this way now. Then I'm gonna open up this vivid effect layer. Then again, create empty mask. Now let's see, same brush, soft round to hide, to show some light image from these two layers, which is screen effect on base image. It's light image, but still need some more saturation, huh? Okay, let's see. Turn on this pencil drawing type image. It's a lighter color now. Okay, just leave it here and go back to normal and just tune it off on this pencil drawing type image. And I'm gonna look at this now. Now back to this image. Let me change normal. Change the blend mode. Normal to darken. This is interesting. Saturation. Let me see, I just want to check if I fix this image, then double the color, what's gonna happen? Let me try this. Okay, select multiple 1, 2, 3 to get this image fixed, yeah? Duplicate layers, merge selected, then I'm going to duplicate this layer. Now change blend mode to multiply, gets this color, right? Okay, merge down. This is nice color, I think. Well, okay, this one is the base image, new base image. Let's see, turn these layers off now. Then change blend mode on this new layer. Lighten this color, layers. Right? I like this pastel color. Screen. This is normal. Hot light. This one is impressive too. Very too harsh. I kind of like hard light. Okay, move this layer. It's hard light blend mode now. Move this one to just over this original image. Then let's see. Create empty mask. Just leave it this way, this one. And I'm gonna add layer. Fill layer with 100% white on this layer. Then create empty mask. Now I'm gonna reveal, hide this layer. Now I want some texture on the dry media to pastel square. Okay, now we will settle. Now I want to show. I want to see this base image. Now I'm gonna mask. I have mask here, right? Now hide this mask to see underneath. If I hide this, we see this image, right? I don't know if I like it or not. Let me try this. Just hide this mask with the same brush. Show this like so, then lighten up later. Yeah, okay. About this layer, use this brightness contrast effect on this layer. Now brightness, then contrast. And off, brighten up. Yeah, colors, that's okay. Yeah, real settle. I'm gonna reveal this. Yeah, I may want to show more. All right. Okay. Well, I got this. This is just white, sort of mask type with this mask, and this is the vivid light effect layer base image, and I got some face and skin tones from this original image to get this mask this much. Then these three layers I am not using it. Well, before I used pencil drawing type of image to make this vivid light, and I changed hot light blend mode to get this effect. Well, I like this. Yeah, well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and well, let's get creative, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. All right.